Airplane. I hear two of them. Coming out? Don't shoot the airplane. Come on, show me how big you are.
Get down.
You can get down.
Down.
Get down.
Try down. High down. This is high down.
You can get down.
This is high down. This is high down.
All right, you gonna shut the door? What? Peekaboo. Shut the door. Boo. All right, now me shut the door. Awesome.
Mommy, puppy.
Puppy.
I want you to put it up.
No, we're gonna leave it on.
I want you to go up.
Let's go inside.
I want you to be. I want you to be.
Don't shoot the leaves. Remember, that's where the ants live.
I want to make noise at me.
You don't want the ants to get you. You are walking.
I want the balloon go.
The balloon's inside because it's so cold.
Mommy.
Bye. What, baby?
Mommy, look at what's in my sheet. Mommy, see my foot.
I see.
Mommy, bring me down. Mommy, bring me down the rock. Bring down the rock.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, bring what's in my foot down the rock. Bring down the rock.
Okay. Don't lay down on the rock. That's owie and yucky. I'm gonna go cook hot dogs. You gonna help me? I won't cook it. I'll let you cook it. Do you want to cook the hot dog? You're gonna cook the hot dog?
I want the bacon in here. I want the bacon in the house.
No, not in the house, baby.
I want bacon in the house.
No, not right now.
I want the bacon in the house. I want the bacon in the here.
Let's go cook hot dogs first.
I want to put in tea. Mommy, put in tea. Mommy, put in the tea.
Mhm.
Put in the tea, Mommy.
I see.
Put in the tea. Put in the tea. And I'm going to put in the tea.
We'll play that later. First, let's go eat hot dogs.